So hello guys, n8n has just released their native MCP support. So till now people have been using MCP community node for using MCP inside n8n. So 2 days back they have just released their native support for MCP. So we can now create MCP server and MCP client very easily. Like I will show you. Those who are using n8n cloud, so they already have the options, and those who are using self-hosted n8n using Docker or anything like that, so they need to go to the Docker, like official Docker images site of n8n, and yep, this is it. And they have to pull this image, that is the tag is 1.8.88.0. This version you need to install because the latest tag doesn't have the latest things, so it is like not going to the name, but yes, so you have to like pull this tag. And then what for those who don't know what is n8n is simply an AI workflow builder. That is it's not an AI workflow builder, it's in general workflow builder, but people have been using it for AI agentic workflow building, and I have also been using building AI agentic stuff with n8n. So let's go here. Yep, so this is a simple AI workflow builder, simple workflow inside n8n. So I have added, like, you can search here MCP Server Trigger. Yep, this one is it. Yep, you can add different types of tools. That is, I have added calculator, this one, and some airtable tools. So you can add as many tools you like, and all these tools can be accessed via your MCP server. So yes, so suppose I have all these tools and I want to use them inside my Cursor MCP server, MCP client. So I want to use them here. So what you need to do is, like, you have to go to Cursor settings and go inside MCP, and you have to add one new global MCP server. That is, I already have this, that is this one. This one is not relevant, don't see it. And this one, the n8n, this block, this object, n8n key is required to put in. So we have to give it these things and all these things, and in here you need to change your URL. So this URL is coming from, let me show you, this one. So we have to go to the production URL and copy this. Just click here and it will get copied. So then you need to put in here, where is it? So you need to put it in here. Yep, so that's what you need to do. Then what I can do is, I have here to like basic calculator, list to dos, add to dos, and update to do. So let me show you my Airtable. It basically have 6 to dos for now. 2 are completed and 4 are not completed. So let me ask to list all my to dos. Let's see. So it's asking for me to run the tool. Let's run the tool. Here, yes, here it is. So incompleted tasks are these things, and completed are buy Mac and go to market. That what we saw in my Airtable. So yeah, that's working fine. So yeah, you can see that how easy it is to make this MCP server. So yeah, and also one thing, you can create MCP a client inside n8n. So what you need to do is, suppose I have this MCP server. So now I want to create an MCP client. So let me search MCP client. Yep, so this is MCP client, and what you need to do is the endpoint, that the URL we copied from this node. Let me show you again. So the URL the production, you need to choose. So copy it, and in here you need to paste that URL, and just that. Yeah, so what we can do is, like, we can take a chat trigger. So in this chat trigger I want to add one agent for now. So let's not make things complicated. So we have this agent, then we need to just add this in our tools. So yep, and as a chat model I'm gonna use Google Gemini. Cool. I wanna use Flash 2.0 Flash. Cool. So we have this, and you can see, let me open the chat and say list out all my to-dos. Let's ask it here, like we have seen in my cursor. So Yeah, I can see the tools vibe code podcast by this those are completed. Okay, fine. So it's giving me all the tasks. So yes, so these all things already ran and giving me the result. So you can see that how is easy it is to build one MCP server as well as MCP client inside this n8n. So with the native support of MCP inside n8n, it's very easy now. So we might not face the crashes we used to face using the n8n, like the community node. So I hope you like the video. So if you like it, do subscribe the channel, and my aim target is like 1k subscriber by the end of April. So I think, like, I don't know will it happen or not. So do subscribe the channel, and yes, let's meet in our next video. Peace.